Hello everyone, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm just waiting for everything to be settled. If you're just watching now, you can skip next 5 minutes because I'm going to have to send this to group and let everyone know that I'm online live so they can join it. Alright, just give me a second. Let me get the link, copy the link, share on Facebook, share everywhere. Alright, cool. It says I'm live. Again, this thing is not working. Enable print post, advanced setting, resistant release key. They can be reused every time you go live. You can only broadcast one. That's cool. Alright, just give me a minute or two. Alright, so let me just share with everyone that I'm live. Guys, if you're not in Discord, you can join Discord. The description going to have all the links. So there's one link, you go to that, and then there's another link. So Discord, Twitter, everywhere. Alright, this was not announced. I just got in and I said let me just go live because I won't have time later on. Okay, just hard. I'm just sharing everywhere so anyone that follow me on social media can follow this and come on this as well. Alright, I'm live. Cool. Alright, just give me a second and I will check everything is fine. I can see your chat, everything works smoothly. Is one of you online at the moment? So currently one watching. Walaikum salam. I'm just going to wait a little bit more, see everyone comes in, then I will start the analysis. YouTube is bad. Okay, stream key. They just gave me new stream key. I think the Facebook gives you stream key each time new one. That's fine. I'll do next time. Slowly I'm picking up how this thing work. Analysis default streaming key. Alright, streaming key, and the quality is going to be 1080i. 4K is going to be too much. Yeah, that's fine. I'll active this. Probably hopefully next time it doesn't give us any issue when it comes to YouTube. Oh, it's already connecting to live. Boom, that's great. Alright, just complete your post details, which was about. So title is just gonna copy paste the title of YouTube video. Just give me a second guys, I'll be with you shortly. I'll do that and I copy paste. Oh no, I have to do every time. It's a mess, but it is what it is, you know, can't do much. Alright, that's completed. We can go live on Facebook as well. Boom, let's go. Right, Facebook live on as well and YouTube live as well. So now I know the problem that I was facing earlier, because the thing is Facebook wants you to get the key each time new one. That's where the problem comes. Or unless you have to select, you can broadcast from the same key again. Right, I'll cancel this. Glad to know I was initially waiting. That's fine, Rana, I'm here. I'm going to share stuff with you guys that I wanted to share before. There's a lot of things happening, guys, today. Bitcoin has been playing very nasty games with everyone on as well and YouTube before. Oh shit. There's a lot of things happening, guys, today. Bitcoin has been playing. Alright, that's fine. I wanted to mute the volume. There's a volume bar. That's fine. Alright, guys, welcome to this live. I see people watching on Facebook nicely, and they're watching. I'm holding mover after your last call. I don't know, Rana. I will just check now everything. Alright, if you guys not following me, follow me on Twitter. That's the best place, because I've been, whenever I wake up in the morning, first thing I do when I come on the chart, if you guys asking me about some charts, I'd rather post it here so everyone can get benefit of it, you know. So FET, as soon as it broke out, yes, FET is playing some games as well at the same time. Stocks are breaking because last week they closed very well, and the whole day before stock open, it was consolidating. That was a very good sign. Price holding, didn't drop, and now it's breaking up. We had so many rejection when it comes to S&P, around 4,000, 4,100, but now I think it's finally doing it, guys. It's finally doing it. It did very well consolidation here, goes up and then takes stop losses from these lows, which are my favorite patterns when I see people are getting trapped. And this was very bad move, you know. I was like, this is so weak, and then suddenly we get a strong move. Now it's keep going on. It's amazing, guys, when you see a strong move on daily. As soon as we break this high up here, this is gonna be amazing for stock market, and people will turn back bullish, in my opinion. A lot of stock traders right now drawing this kind of channel, and they're all waiting for this rejection, but it's breaking this time, guys. It is breaking, and that's why you're seeing Bitcoin is moving up as well. Bitcoin start moving, like it was playing games before, and then it start moving, going up as soon as stock S&P start going up. And I'm waiting for this zone 4150. If that breaks, this zone is literally almost all together. So if this breaks, it's gonna be a very good one, because then everyone, like big traders, are looking at weekly chart, daily chart. This is like a weekly chart pattern. This is a high low for weekly. So you have one move up, high low, and high. As soon as we break this, there will be high, and the markets will go back bullish, because people sometimes they don't want to catch the bottom, they to catch when the market starts breaking. For me, I've been DCAing last month. If you've been in my Discord, you probably know that been updating every time that I was buying. And when it comes to Bitcoin, looking very nice. We had two closes below this resistance right here. The thing with that is, you gotta understand, we had hardly no volume. Like top does not form like this, okay. Yes, there was a chance. I made videos on this. If you check my YouTube channel, I made short videos, or TikTok, I mean, 1 second. So I made short saying that this is normal, because we had like, hey, if you watch my shorts, I upload them daily, and they are 1 minute, easy to watch, easy to get update what's going on in the market. So yeah, even though we had faked out the lows right here, so this is very good when I see the lows are getting faked out right here. Then we have this candle doing the exact same thing, breaking down, trapping bears, so they get short, and then market goes up. Same thing happening here. It tried to break down last night, and then again today. If you go 15 minutes, some people are looking at these such a low time frames. I look at the volume, how much volume has been spiked here. A lot of bears. First it got rejected, then goes up, then it goes up again fully, like right up here, takes everyone that was shorting here, stop losses here, takes the stop losses, boom, comes down. All the bulls that were trying to buy this breakout, they had stop losses somewhere here, they got liquidated as well. So then now market is faking out this high right here. I don't know what Bitcoin wants to do, but it is definitely doing some liquidations right here. And right now I think there's a likely chance it will break this, because S&P is strong as well right now. So there's a high chance. I'm not sure if people can watch well on Facebook, because there's literally no comment. I can't see any comment on it yet. Do you think we'll see Proud Indian. No, I don't think so, guys. I don't think so, because there's a reason why I say that. Anything can happen at the end of the day. I'm not that kind of person to say 100%. Nothing is 100%. All right, from bottom to high, we have 50% move in Bitcoin. Okay, that's not small, guys. That's not small. Yes, there's a huge chance that we will go from here. Eventually, when the market have max span, everyone is in the market again. We might see a move coming down from here, or we might see move spiking here up to 30,000 area, or we can have this high of 32,000 faked out, and then we see market pushing down hard. We need people to get trapped, because right now market can't even go in a deep pullback right now, because how strong the bulls are at the moment holding, and there's not many sellers right now, and the sellers that are shorting it getting punished very badly by bulls. Right now market is so strong, you don't wanna do anything, because at least wait for 1 hour or 4 hours to change its trend. There is no sign of change of trend at all, so you're just shorting blindly in like a gamble. So I see a lot of people trying to short the markets right now. Either wait for some kind of good sign. I've been saying yesterday as well, there's a lot of liquidity up here. Market wants that. Market needs that to trap longs so it can go further down. So even if we go up here, right here, there's a chance we can retest this area, which is this mini demand zone now has been created. If it breaks that, we have not broken 23,400 yet, that 2 days ago high. Or market can go as long as 21, maybe. I don't know for sure. We will see why would go and stuff like that. There's so much involved, guys. So that's why I'd rather let the market do its thing. I do not try to guess things and do shady stuff. So for now, I've been buying ALTS yesterday on the dip, because I know that there's nothing like a top right now. We have no volume spiking shows a top. We have no big candle rejection that are going crazy. Is just ranging right now, going sideways. There's nothing crazy that happening that will indicate, okay, we have formed the top. No, there's nothing here. If you see a lot of mess going on my charts, that's normal, guys. To me it doesn't matter, because I'm the one that drawn that, because I'm just trying to see who's getting trapped and where. It gives me a good confidence that we have some bears trapped, and then we had longs trapped, and market is just playing with everyone. Right now it's looking alright. Volume picked up very well today. Earlier today there was nothing volume, like it was flat here. When this broke yesterday, many alts dropped, and I was buying those alts, and everyone's like, oh shit, this is gonna go down, this and that. Yes, but I had posted on Twitter, on YouTube, like everywhere, that I am expecting other way around. I'm not expecting what everyone is. So look at the charts I'm sharing. A lot of opportunities right here. So the best opportunity is FTM right now. It's looking amazing, guys. Big potential. It just broke yesterday on daily high. So a lot. Other than that, we have, okay, right here. So even before this happened, I made a video, the short video. So this is what I was already expecting it, because it repeats again and again the same thing. It needs fuel, it needs liquidity, and that's why it's trapping the bears. As soon as there's a breakout happens, the bears start shorting, and it needs to go up. That's what the market does always. So right now it's taken the high up here as well. I don't know if it's gonna go down or up, but volume is picking up. S&P is mooning at the moment, so maybe Bitcoin is forced to go up. People are just, there's a lot of algorithm. It's just not people trading here. The law of algorithm follow footstep of S&P, and then based on that they trade. So algorithms are like AI, so they've been given commands, and like they made them the way they learn how things work. I don't know how to explain exactly. Algos, they just made and they understand, they learn, and they move around based on how price action moves, and they kind of clone it. So things like that. I don't know exactly. I'm not a programmer. I never use them. So yeah, I don't know for sure how things work. All right. I just keep things simple for me, and I let the things do whatever they're doing. So I let the trade run as long as they want to run. I want to see anyone interfere. Dayan, I did interfere. Alright, I don't check CME, guys. CME is just, YouTubers made that up. They need something to come up with. Okay, CME is nothing, because you don't understand. Crypto works 24/7. CME matters when it comes to stocks, because stocks do not open 24/7. When the stocks are closed, and pre-market, there's a gap, right? That makes sense. The gap needs to be, there's a lot of order unfilled in that gap. But when it comes to crypto, there's not unfilled orders there. Crypto works 24/7. People don't understand this. The CME is not for crypto. Maybe market does attract to that because everyone is looking at that, but it's not something that I put a lot of focus on. That was New York Open. Check what happened. I don't know. I don't think of speeches, guys. Someone was saying yesterday to me that that there's going to be data coming. 1st February is going to decide where the market will go, FMC or whatever. But you need to understand, when the markets are bullish, they're going uptrend, people are looking any chance of getting a small pullback, they will get in. Any small pullback market, people will love to get in. But right now everyone is waiting for pullbacks to get in. So if FOMC gives a pullback, people will want to get in that, and we will still rally up if the market is genuinely is bullish. You need to understand, right now, like AVAX, a strong coin, look at the volume we picked up. Most volume we had in a month. This is not enough. It's consolidating, guys. People that are frustrated, they want to get out, they are getting out. Anyone that got right here in these prices, they are trying to get out. Other than that, people that are shorting these wicks, when this moves, you won't see it stopping. The more time spent here, the more liquidity is collecting, the better, right? The better. So this is how I see things from my personal point of view, because I don't complicate things. This was very nice pullback, and this has taken the lows, 3 lows, 1, 2, 3, and then pullbacks in this zone. A red candle, strong red candle. If this candle was up somewhere, that would have been very bearish, but this time it wasn't, because market is already sitting at the bottom. You don't want to trade bearish setup at the bottom of the major demand zone, which is this, where the market bottomed and then from here picked up. So you want to play safe and smartly. Trade bullish setup when the market is at the bottom, trade bearish setup. So right now you do not want to take a short trades here, because it's much more riskier than longs are more profitable, because that there's a lot of volumes demands coming from this side. You need to see where the actual move coming from, not what's happening here. You need to see where the move is coming from. This is where people do not understand what happened with Bitcoin here. This was very bearish signal overall, but most people don't even see this move. This is very strong move. You cannot just base your trade based on one doji or one rejection, but you're missing the point of this big move. Focus on the big picture, what's happening there, where the move came from. Like here, the move came because it was FTX, but they had most volume ever. This is what gave me confidence to start buying Bitcoin right here. I've been buying down here, this thing, because I've been doing that for last 3 cycles. I've been doing that, so that's why I know I've been spending countless hours on charts and to find out what will be the best option. I don't know nothing for sure, but I just get an ideas based on what research I've done. That's why I keep things simple for myself. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna check quickly some of your coins and then I'll go off, because honestly I'm tired. Alright, I don't know what the heck happened in this candle, but I will go. This looks very low liquidity coin. This is a pump and dump token, guys. I will avoid this. I will avoid this completely. This is pump and dump, clearly pump and dump token. So there's nothing to see. Can you please stop spamming Piyush? There is nothing in this chart. This is pump and dump. You probably, if you got stuck in this, you probably followed a pump and dump group, the signal groups that give you signal, but first they buy it, then they dump on you. ICP had, alright, I like ICP. It's making very nice uptrend. You have high this structure, then it's breaking up. It's not very smooth, but yeah, it is moving. It is moving. I had move up, so AVAX is kind of sitting here. There's yet to move, so it start moving up. After it breaks this, clearly it's consolidates like a 4-hour time frame. You can say a 1 to 2 days consolidation, then look for entry, and then you get a good move in this. This is what I'm looking at. Many coins that I got into, I got in here, right here. So when they broke this, I was buying here, I was in consolidation, like, and yeah, I'm already in most of the coins. I'm not adding fresh coins, most of them, just few, but mostly I'm adding to the ones that I'm already on from down here, but they're breaking now, so I'm adding into consolidation for next leg up. So this is what I've been doing, because I've learned from my last bull run, which I've sold my alts very quickly. Other than that, AI tokens are already gone. The one that didn't pump, they won't even pump. Just don't even think about them. I mean, don't force the trades, guys. You have good news that coming up with FET. This is not moved much yet, guys. FET is very slow, but I think I had a news, big pump. Anyone that was stuck here, they wanted to get out, they already got out of this. Now if it moves up again, I'm gonna set an alert. I already hold this good position of that. I did add yesterday right here when this drop happened last night. I said that earlier. I've added many coins. I posted on Twitter that I've added many coins. I posted on Discord as well. But yeah, other than that, I'm waiting for this to break again, 0.3. If it breaks again, it's gonna be a good one. This has been slow. We don't have parabolic move yet in AI tokens, as such as like we had like the top happens when everyone is chasing new projects like that have no track record. There's nothing there, so this is where top happens. But right now AI tokens moved, but they are consolidating for next leg up, in my opinion. It is bad strategy to sell you long-term horsepower at holding profit. No, it's not bad strategy. You can sell, of course you can sell. You can at least sell what you have put in. If you are 2x up, just sell 30% of that, so at least you are out of risk and you can always move money. So for me, what I do is, for example, if the breakout happens, like this is consolidating, breakout happens, I'll add more. So this is what I'm doing, and then eventually when I know the market is kind of looking at going parabolic, like you see 2 or 3 1-hour candle, they are huge, one candle then huge, like this means people are forming in, and there's a lot of FOMO going on. Right now there's no sign of FOMO here. Look at tiny candles right now. So when I see that, I will start booking my profits. We saw that in many alts, but not all of most of them. Thank you, Usman. Look at the XDB and Brace. It's not doing anything right now. Brace, I think we need people to push it. Maybe some whales are accumulating this. I need this to be broken. 4,000 number, 4,000 here, many zeros, I'm not counting that. When that breaks, I have an alert here. When that breaks, then Brace is gonna do a good move. Right now we are still sitting below this resistance. I need this to be cleared before anything happens in price. XDB XDB, they both are low liquidity tokens based on what I see. It's in KuCoin, yeah, looking nice right now. This is kind of tokens that make a big run, but again, no one knows how big they're going to make. But the volume picked up that earlier today is very nice. It is giving pullback. I don't know the full story of this, but yeah. So you can set your next target probably right here. These lows, everyone is probably looking at it. This is very small target here, because what happens is these resistance posts are not that effective, because those who are impatient, that doesn't have patience, they think market is dead, they already sold out here. This is why this consolidation, long consolidations are very good. The bigger the consolidation is, the higher the chance the move will be that as big as that. So this is how I see it personally. XDC Kara. So XDC Mainnet. This is very low volume coin, so this is high risk, high reward. Sorry guys, I went for a nap. I was feeling so exhausted. Last few days I've been spending a lot of time on charts and stuff. You need this to be clear right here, and then something will happen. I don't know guys, I don't know about some coins that I don't know. It's very wiki coin, like have low volume coins. So if you want to take a risk, these are high risk, high reward tokens, and the chart does not really follow as great with these because they move very quickly. Okay, the price action is not very clear with that because of the wick. Damn, I like this consolidation. So much consolidation happening. This is very good. But yeah, it's quite late. You missed the first initial move. This is already moving up quite a bit. It moved up not so much, but enough. So it moved up like 50% last 2 days. For bottom, this is not as much because it could go a lot more, and I'm not the one who's going to chase this. No, I'm not chasing this, but if you want to, so look what happened last time. So it moved up sharply, then it comes all the way and consolidates. This is what happens a lot of time. This is what people call a trap. That this is a bear trap. Market goes up for initial move, okay, and then comes down, then creates a high low. These are high low because they never broke the actual low. High lows, and then from here, boom, this is the real trend. This is why I've been waiting a lot in ours to break higher highs. So yeah, for me, I'm just going to see how things go. Same thing happened here right now. It had a first leg up, small one, then the pullback, and then now it's sharply going up. I'm feeling, wow, I don't know what I'm feeling. Guys, I'm gonna check Phil because I've updated about this. The Phil broke into high on daily. Now it's probably gonna consolidate for a while, and it's looking pretty good because the dip that happened. So yeah, I'm waiting for Phil to move. Either if he's gonna move from here or it will come down to 4 point, just under 5 or 5ish, something like that. It's gonna be a decent buy. Right now it is kind of going lower low and lower high, unless it goes from here to here. If it breaks this, fine. If it doesn't break that, there is a chance we can see a move coming in around 5 and then probably go up. So these are the tricky things that no one knows what's going to happen. So you don't want to get in coins expecting they will rise and keep on rising. I don't know about Mathcoin. FTM is holding so well. Yeah, FTM is very good, guys. FTM is sitting at the bottom, and I think it's gonna give a huge run because FTM dropped a lot. The reason was that it dropped a lot because it had a lot of hacks and other stuff, but it's a strong project, and it's holding very well because I think it had a huge consolidation. Now it's having another consolidation. Then on top of more, it's taking its time, getting accumulated, slowly rising. It's not rushing, it's not going parabolic, but I think when it breaks this high, we'll see a move. It's trying to break that high. Not right up here. No, right here. So it is getting retested that high. Right up here. Let's see what happens from here. Thanks, buddy. You're welcome. APT ape.apt. Let's see ape. Dart is looking amazing as well. It's just breaking out as well. Ape tried to do it, breakout right here, and the breakout has been failed. But I still think as long as it holds the low, say 5.3, you're alright. I think it can still recover as long as these lows are intact. So we can see slowly, gradually moving up. But it really depends how Bitcoin is gonna behave. Honestly, it's very hard for me to say this will keep going up and up and up. It's just not the case. We need market to be stable for this to happen. And when it comes to DOT, I've been adding a lot of DOT more, because when I start seeing this first break yesterday, I've added there, and when this break happened right above this, I've added again. So I'm kind of loaded on this. But DOT, remember, it's a very slow token. It's a very slow token, low risk, low reward. You have one breaking out as well. You start breaking an hour ago. One. Oh my god, in 3 minutes this is printed like a big candle. So last hour it broke out. Let me see. Yes, it is breaking this high as well. So this is looking good when it comes to one. I have a bunch of one in my wallet. I would have added more if I knew the breakout is happening. The problem is that I don't have alert set for everything. This is very nice. It's creating a high, which most alts are doing right now. Just now, if you really want to buy this, you can set stop loss here and just hold on to it. Right here, just hold on to it. For first initial target is going to be 22, and then you can look. This is a big potential, like huge potential. You're basically buying at 95% discount from the top, and it dropped at 97%. So if these are not the bottom, I don't know what the bottoms are. If token is dropping at 95%, so that's what I'm saying. There's no rush of buying or selling. Your prices are sitting at the bottom. So if you want to buy, set a wide stop loss. If you want this to run for next 100, 200, 300%. I'm giving an idea of every other coin, not just one. These big market cap coins like a Harmony one, they do not give such a high rewards as one small cap. Small cap move up and down very fast. The risk is high with them. Ocean is moving very well. I've been updating Ocean. Ocean is looking very similar to FET. No, so FET looking very similar to Ocean. So Ocean was Ocean doing, FET is doing that as well, and like similar to Gala. They're all consolidating here. Then when they break out, they go break out hard, and then yes, there was a big pullback, but this pullback was very good because this last pullback that it gave, it took the loss of anyone that was buying here, and it took this high as well slightly. Everyone that was shorting here, stop loss up, taking the stop losses, goes down, takes these stop losses, and then now it's riding up, and it's likely that it's already filled the wick of last 2 days, and likely it's gonna keep going. And I have big bag of Ocean. I'm gonna keep on holding for now because I want to see parabolic move before I start selling, booking any profits. After parabolic move, you get for example, you see a big moves, and then you start getting a big pullback on daily time frame. This is where I want to add later on after I sell my coins. I might not sell everything. I might sell it because, again, when you enter down here on these prices, you don't really care. You're already making so 0.2, like for 3x on your money, you're already happy with it. Okay, Oh, he did? That's great. Metis breaking out. Guys, you're looking at KuCoins a lot. Yeah, Metis is breaking out right here into daily high. Yeah, it is kind of breaking out. If you ignore the wicks, right here it's already broken out if you ignore the wicks, but other than that, looking very nice at the moment. I don't know nothing about this project, guys. I never heard of this coin before. I never touched it, but looking at the chart, it looks nice, smooth. The thing is with these low cap coins that you need to have big wider stop loss, so your stop loss is going to be right here, which is probably 15%, not bad. Then probably the upside is gonna be low in percentage as well. So this is your first target around $30, which is not much, but have this 50, so you're probably looking to get 100% at minimum. And then if not, this coin will probably, because this coin doesn't seems to have any run ever, so if it doesn't have a run, it doesn't mean, and it means it doesn't have many back holders, so you have a chance of doing good in this coin. These kind of new coins, they can do well. Alright, I'll just monitor this later on. I will add in my watch list, and I see if I like it. I have funds in there, so I will just buy them. Matic is just slow shit. I have Matic, but I don't like it, honestly. It's risk and reward in crypto. Matic is not the one. It gave less discount than Ethereum or so, because if you do the top to down, the reward it gave, the discount, let's not count this bottom, because mostly everyone was like, I was buying when everything bottom, which the prices were here 75%. This is nothing right now. Many coins are giving you 95% plus discount. This is only at 65% discount. So it's like in top 10 or top 15, whatever it is. It's already a big market cap. It's not gonna give you a huge run. Yes, it's looking good. I have some as well, just in case it gives a run. But Matic already had huge hype here because of Facebook. If the Matic had news of Facebook right now, it would have been different story. We had bigger run and better run. But it's already picked up. Matic is full of back holders. Everyone is like having a long term this and that. So I have it, but I'm not really fan of Matic when it comes to crypto risk and reward. Yes, it might able to go test this high. It might able to go all time high, but I don't know. We'll see. Let's see again, which is most likely maybe after some parabolic move. Wasif, I don't know if it goes to 15%. I don't know what I would do. I would feel bad not taking profits if it goes from now, but nothing else. I will just buy more when it goes down into 10-12k, but I doubt it. We had 50% move, very very strong move. Everyone is waiting for a pullback. Those who missed it, those who are shouting these lows are the one that missed it. I remember myself when I was looking to buy at 3,000 in 2019. Everyone was shouting 1,000. Everyone, even myself, said, like, I didn't say it's a fake rally or anything like that. I said it should come down, this is that. But I had orders just $100 below than what the bottom was. So I had orders set up there. It didn't fill my order. That's absolutely fine. Happens. I was waiting for a pullback all the way. I'll tell you what happened here. I was waiting for a pullback. I've been waiting and waiting, and the pullback never happened. You know, when this happened right here, this one, it came down to 3150. My order was 3110, 3050. I had order at 3010, so I had all orders set up. It never came to my orders. I was watching all this, and when this happened up here, I was waiting for a pullback to retest this high. It never did. It kept going. I don't know if I got in or not, I don't remember. But after that, when this happened, code crash, I started getting inactive here mostly. The reason I was start getting inactive because I was going away. I was doing a job, part-time job, and I was focused a lot on forex that time. I was starting forex here in this area, and then this happened. I start buying here. I start setting orders. When this happened, I had order at $4,500, $4,000, $3,500. I think 35 did not fail. Yeah, it went to 38. 35 did not fail. So this was a lucky thing. I think the bottom would have been this. That's it. This was already having a good bottom formation. This was a rally, which was a pullback. Then it would have keep going down, up. This happened just because of COVID. This is not normal. So everyone that's thinking this will repeat again if there's another COVID happens. Otherwise, this is not normal. COVID is unexpected. Recession is expected. So there's two different things. Everyone knows there is a recession coming, so it's less likely to happen. If they want to sell, they would have sold now. Alright, those who are buying crypto right now, they know about recession, and they're only buying because they have the money to do so. That's the difference here. Right now we have Bitcoin taking yesterday high, which I've already shared, that it taken yesterday high right up here, and it is very tricky. I don't know what is going. This was yesterday high, and I don't know what Bitcoin wants to do. Is keep pulling back, keep doing shady stuff. It's been doing here as well. I don't know. I need to wait for Bitcoin to go clear because it's creating a fear all over the market, which is good, shaking people that are just here for like small moves and buying in panic, selling in panic. But other than that, it's looking just fine. All right. I've already explained about FET and Graph. Graph I've updated on Twitter. I really like Graph. I had it broke out today, but again it dipped because Bitcoin dipped. It broke out, then it gave a very strong candle again, then it's consolidating right now. This is a good thing when you have coins getting shaked out. Alright, people are getting shaked out. I think if it goes again, it's going to be a very good one to keep an eye on. Alright, keep an eye on this. Let's see what happens. But Graph, I like it. The way it's moving slowly, gradually, nothing parabolic yet. It's very nice. Slow moves, gradual moves. Keep an eye on Graph. Graph is a very good one. I have UFO, Doge, Fed, yeah. I've already explained about this, that I personally think the similar thing. 25,000 high, 25,200 will break. We'll get the liquidity trap bulls. That's probable scenario. It doesn't mean it has to happen, but yeah, if the alts, it depends. You know what happens sometime? Bitcoin gives a move, alts don't move, and then Bitcoin needs to correct it, go sideways, then alts gonna go with their run. And this is what I'm waiting right now. I need to know what happens with alts. If they're gonna move with Bitcoin, or they will move when the Bitcoin is going sideways. So if the alts keep moving with Bitcoin and they're giving a good run, I would probably sell some as well when it goes to 25,000 or so. But if the alts now moving, then there's no point me selling it, because I'd rather just wait for alts to give their own run. As market changes so much, that happens a lot. Cleo, I don't even know what that is, because I'm taking some on Facebook suggestions as well. You were buying at very good buy, man. Very good buy right here. Not even that. You're buying these bottoms. Very good. I just hold on to that. This is you buying at the bottom. So do not even worry about it. Let it run. This looks like a slightly low liquid coin. Let it run. Let it go big. This is just starting. Don't take now profits. It's not worth it. It's a very low liquid coin, so if it moves, it's gonna move very quick. You can set targets, you can set limit orders, sale orders, so when the price goes up there, you wanna get your order triggered, because if you see these are getting accumulated, this volume that goes boom and then slowly gradually down means someone is buying big chunk of this, and then this others just gradually selling. And the same thing happening here. So people are like accumulating whales, probably this one. Same thing here. One push up and then gradually down. One push up, happens a lot. Every single bull run, bear market happens this. I don't know, I didn't check DXY. Now there's nothing in DXY that shows. Guys, most people don't understand. DXY gave a very crazy run. It doesn't need to pull back. Look, even XRP, any coins, anything that gives a run like this, parabolic run, it can just come with a very small pullback. It can come down, which is DXY doing. And I was like, let's see, wait, and some time discount, and now moon. Yeah, it happens. This is what I'm saying. They want people to do that, chase it. Hardcoin. This is another low volume coin, like low liquid coin. Doesn't have much volume. This is very wiki token. Long term, this is like this, pump and dump. Look, pump and dump. You have a lot of shit show going on. This is like a lottery type of token. So you buy this, either you lose small amount of money, but this case there's a low chance of losing from bottom. Then you can make 1 to 2, 3x in this. Alright, you can buy this kind of token, set alert up like 0.5, you make 2 times of your money, or 2-3x. So you do that with these kind of tokens. These kind of tokens, unless you know the project, I don't know, but every bull run happens. Some shit, we call them shit pen. There is another in stock market, they call it penny coins. So these kind of tokens, they move wild. So when they're moving, just set alert, your sale limits, it will just automatically sell whenever it's moving. Because these kind of tokens, if you see a big sale, they don't even give you a chance to sell, because they're very quickly boom boom, like a lot of time happens. So they give 50-100% move and then quickly back in next hour. So this is what you want to do if you are in them, but I don't really like these kind. Alright, Metis is layer 1. Slap no, I don't use Fibonacci. Fibonacci works because everyone is using this. Everyone is reacting on that. It's based on the market. So because, and algos use Fibonacci ratios as well, so that's why I rather keep it simple, because a lot of time you get confused with Fibonacci a lot of time. So I try to avoid anything. I just keep my zones. I wanna see this 11.6 APT holding, which is high low, and then from here consolidating and then move up to next leg up. The minute after you analysis, what a coincidence. Yeah, this is what I'm saying, push. These kind of tokens, low liquid, they can just move. Anyways guys, thank you for being here. Share this live, do subscribe. If you're not following me, follow me on Twitter. I'm posting a lot more on Twitter than anywhere else. Again, I'm posting everything on Twitter that you don't see on Facebook, you don't see on YouTube, you don't see on Discord. I want to post everything here so everyone can see it and take benefit from this. Alright guys, I had Farah, but I got out of it just because I needed money to buy something else. That's fine. Thank you guys, and have a good day. Bye.